These are the bolts for the lower control arm. We used a 24 metric and a 15/16 standard. This side had a longer bolt. That side had a shorter bolt. This side the bolt came out easy. This side the bolt came out kind of easy, but then we had to use a chisel, a punch. A punch to help push the bolt out. We have that jack stand, the floor jack holding the lower control arm. We're gonna drop the lower, we're gonna let the jack down now slowly. And this control arm should drop down, hopefully. That's what happened. This side didn't even move at all.